Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in trigonometry, heights and distances problem. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here the question is, from the top of a building of 60 meters high, from the top of a building of 60 meters high, the angles of depression of top and the bottom of a tower. This is tower friends. Top and bottom of a tower are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Friends, this is angle of depression 30. If this is 30, this is 30. If this is 60, this is 60. So, angles of depression are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. What is the height of the tower? Friends, height of the tower CD is equal to AB minus AE. AB minus AE. AB is known. AB is 60. AB is 60. We have to find AE. So now AB minus AE is the height of the tower. Friends, let us consider this triangle, ABC triangle. Let us consider ABC triangle. Here chord 60 is equal to BC, adjacent side by opposite side, AB. That is equal to BC by 60. AB is equal to 60. Friends, cos 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to BC by, friends, 60 means root 3 into root 3 into 20. 1 root 3 gets cancelled. BC is equal to 20 root 3 friends. BC is equal to 20 root 3. Friends, BC is equal to 20 root 3 implies ED is also 20 root 3. ED is also 20 root 3. Friends, now let us consider AED triangle. In AED triangle, friends, tan 30 or cot tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to AE opposite side by adjacent side, ED. ED is equal to 20 root 3. Friends, tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by 20 root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. Friends, here this is AE. AE. This is AE. AE is equal to 20 friends. AE is equal to 20. Friends, AE is equal to 20. Now, the height of the tower is equal to AB minus AE. 60 minus 20. 40 meters is the height of the tower, friends. Thank you.